Ha 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 ha. Ooh. Look who went to Dollar Tree. Oh, and Amazon too. Yeah, Christine doesn't know that I got a hold of her credit card. Because, mad science has to march on. So let me show you some of the cool things that I got. This was from Amazon. Ooh. Beads. And you'll see what I'll be doing. That's what kind of hideous experiments I had. And then in here, there's, take a look here. There's hideous mutant eyes. And then while she was at Dollar Tree, I managed to sneak a few things into her basket. Let's see. Oh, that's pretty boring. Okay, that's just something that she wanted to have. Yeah, she does these things that she thinks are pretty. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, yeah, and here's some more cute things. She's really into cute. I'm not really into that. Let's see. Pumpkins, little apples, all kinds of. Oh, here's another thing I got from Amazon. These are cool beads. This is going to be really cool. Let's see what else. Oh, here we go. The pumpkin. Yes. I'm going to do something horribly hideous with this pumpkin. And you'll get to see. And what else do we have in here? We got some little acorns and some stickers. Yeah, these are not even really something I'm interested in. And some, let's see. Oh, pumpkin things. Oh, look. These, I think, will work for my experiment. I have to set those aside. And then, let's see. What's backed up in these little things? Looks like they're just little jars. Yeah, no big deal there. I'll just put them.
But today...
Okay, I need to tell you what my laser experiment is going to be. See, Christine thinks that she's the only one who knows about this whole artificial intelligence thing, but I've actually gotten into it as well. I've sneaked onto her computer and I've gone onto that imagine.art, and oh my God, I put in the description. Remember when I did the Hideous Mutant Eyeball Pumpkin? Yeah, I put the description of that in there, and I got the most cool image ever of another version of the Hideous Mutant Eyeball Pumpkin. And this is what it looks like. Isn't that awesome? Oh my God, it is so hideous. And so, of course, I have to actually make one. So that's what I'm going to do in this video. And I just got to put all this other stuff away. But I'm going to take this pumpkin, and oh boy, am I going to make it into a hideous mutant eyeball thing that will help me to rule the world. So stay tuned. Ho 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 ha 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 ha. Ho 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 ho. Look at this. Oh. Isn't he hideous? Isn't he just the most hideous thing you've ever seen in your life?
I'm telling you, I'm a genius. I'm a genius.
Oh, no. He's not cute. Get that idea out of your brain. He's not cute. He's hideous. And with this hideous mutant AI-enhanced eyeball pumpkin, I will rule the...
Audrey, what are you doing? What are you doing in my office? Audrey!
I'm gonna get it now. Okay, happy Halloween, everybody.
I don't want another
situation.
Let's see, what happened? What did she do now? Oh, my God. Oh. Oh, my, look at this. Oh, my God. Oh, that is so cute.
It's not cute!
Well, I guess there's no accounting for taste. Happy Halloween, everybody.